Traffic Safety Store carries triangle reflector kits to keep you safe on the road. Each kit includes 3 triangles and a bright red carrying case that fits easily in the back of your car or truck. These are our triangles. A single triangle is 17 inches wide at the base and 16.5 inches tall, and they weigh 4 pounds each. The Triangle Reflector Kit meets DOT FMV SS 125 standards and holds up to storms and extreme winds. Setting up the triangles is fast and easy. Just turn the triangle to a side, lift up each arm, and snap together. Placing the triangles on the road will depend on the type of road you're on, the speed limit of the road, and the time of day. Recommended triangle placement can be found printed on the outside of the carrying case. The Traffic Safety Store wants you to be safe on the roads. Order your triangle reflector kits online at trafficsafetystore.com or by calling us at 800-429-9030.